Hey, Brian from Garage Wall. If you have one of these Samsung dryers, they work absolutely great, but they have a lint collector in here, and hopefully you've been cleaning this out on a regular basis. You should be cleaning it before every cycle, but you start getting these breaks in the corners, so I can kind of show it a little bit better. And they just let lint out into your airline of your dryer. And what happens is that just clogs up. Your dryer doesn't work as efficiently. And you know, that is, it could potentially cause a fire. So you want to make sure that you want to keep that airline as clean as possible. I'll show you outside what happens after this has been neglected for a while. All the lint that gets collected on the outside air vent. So you can kind of like see that. So stay tuned at the end, I'll show that to you. But anyway, you want to get one of these replacement ones. And this is a much sturdier product. And you can tell just from looking at it, it's obviously, you know, been upgraded with its material and the connection points. So it has a nice clean plastic there, a nice clean screen, and it is a perfect match depending on what dryer you have. But anyway, now you can get rid of this old one, throw it out, and you have a upgraded lint catch for your Samsung dryer. And other than that, let's go outside, take a look at what happens when that gets neglected after some time. So stay tuned. All right, this is your outside dryer vent. So if lint is getting through that filter, through those openings, you're going to get build-up here, and obviously that is going to be a bad thing because, I mean, look at how this just collects here. So one, your dryer's not going to work as efficient, and two, you don't want this to get all built up because you're going to get a lot of this build-up here, and that's just going to be robbing your dryer from efficiency. On top of that, it's, you know, you don't want that to build up to, you know, cause you know, a fire or anything. So obviously that's why you want to make sure that you keep this clean, as well as you want to replace that filter anytime it gets, I mean, look at this, look at all this lint that has sneaked out through those little openings just to accumulate. Anyway, Brian from Garage Hall, thanks for watching, and be safe and have a clean dryer.